Hello everyone, welcome to the virtual laboratory of CAD modeling and drafting organized by Mechanical Department RIT. So in this video we are going to see experiment number 4, that is a basic commands of part design. So for any 3D model we require a 2D sketches. So how to draw a 2D sketches, that we have discussed in earlier experiment. So in this experiment we are going to discuss how to add third dimension to that sketch. That means, for example, suppose we have created one rectangle there like this. So how to add third dimension to that one? For example, if you want to convert this rectangle into a box like this, then how to add this dimension, that we are going to discuss with the help of part design. So creation of this rectangle will be done with the help of sketcher module, and adding this third dimension is done with the help of part design. That means if you just see this, drawing this rectangle will be done with the help of sketcher, and adding a third dimension to that one will be done with the help of part design. So this is how we are going to add a third dimension with the help of part design, that we are going to discuss now. So you just select a part design from this drop down and click on create body. So this is same procedure what we have discussed in sketcher. Select any one plane on which you want to work and just click on OK. Now suppose I have drawn one rectangle here, and suppose I have given some dimension. For example, this is 60, this is 40, and just click on close. So this rectangle we have created. Now we are going to add a third dimension into this one. So just click on this pad. So these are some basic commands which we'll use in the part design. First one is the pad, with which we are going to add a material to the sketch. Second one is pocket, with which we are going to remove the material, from the body. Hole, where we are going to drill the hole. Revolution, in pad we are going to add the material along the axis. With the help of revolution we are going to add the material about the axis, means in circular manner we are going to add the material. So it is groove is now similar to pocket, where we are going to remove the material about the axis. So let us discuss one by one this basic command. Click on pad, and here you define, here on this dialog box you can define whichever distance you want to add in third dimension. So this is how it is going to be added. So suppose 100 like this, and just click on OK. Correct. So this is how we have added a third dimension to the rectangle. So earlier we have only the rectangle like this, and we have added a third dimension to this one with the help of part design, that too with the help of pad command. Now suppose we want to remove the material from this one. So just go to sketch, and now I am going to select this plane again, click on OK, and on that plane I am going to draw one circle like this. Circle I am going to draw. Just see, here we have drawn one circle. Okay, now suppose we will give some dimension to this one, suppose 10 mm. Now suppose I want to remove the material along this circle. Okay, so for that you can use just click on close, and then you can use pocket command for that one. So with the help of pocket we can remove the material. Okay, so whatever distance you want, you just mention here, suppose 50 mm. Now the direction is in this direction, that is in positive y direction, so we are going to reverse that one. So just once you have click on reverse, the material will be removed in negative y direction. Okay, so this is how we can use a pocket command, with which we can remove the material, and just click on OK. Now suppose you want to provide some fillet and chamfer here, so you can use this fillet command, with which we are going to select one edge, click on fillet, and here you can define the radius. For example, suppose 10 mm. So this is how fillet will be applied. Similarly, you can provide a chamfer also. So we are going to select one edge, click on chamfer, and here again you can define the size of that chamfer, suppose 10 mm. So this is how we can create a fillet and chamfer with which this tool. Okay. So now let us discuss some new features of this one, that is revolution. So revolution and groove command now we are going to discuss. So again go to create body, click on create sketch. I am going to select this plane, click on OK. Now here I am going to draw one simple circle like this, and then I am going to provide radius to this one, suppose 20, and again we need to define a distance between this point and this point. Distance between this and this, suppose 50 mm. Now it is fully constrained, just click on close now. Now we are going to use a revolution command, so with which the material is going to be added about this axis. So this vertical axis, about that the material is added. So you can give any degree here, for example suppose 180, so this is 180 degree. Suppose 270 you want to add, so 270 also it is possible. So likewise you can give any degree with which the material will be added. Now suppose we have seen this is what a revolution command. Similarly we are going to see now groove command. So here I am going to draw one rectangle like this, click on close. So we have seen the revolution command, which is similar to pad command, but here material is added along the axis, but here material is added about the axis. Similarly in pocket, material is removed along the axis, but with the help of groove command you are going to remove the material about the axis. So we are going to use groove command now, and just see. So this is how the material is going to be removed about this axis. So here again you can define whatever distance you want, for example 180. So if you just see here, only 180 degree material is removed out from the body, otherwise you can give 360 also. So these are 4 basic commands of part design. So with this we are going to see now one example, 3D modeling example. So let us start with new. So how to draw this one? Okay. So while starting any object, you need to decide from which direction you need to start and how many steps are required. So just see how many steps we required. So this will be my first pad and this will be my second pad. So we require 2 steps. In first step I am going to draw the L shape sketch and we are going to add 15 mm pad, and in second step I am going to draw a rectangle. I am going to add 15 mm pad again. So let us draw that with the help of CAD. So just go to sketch, select top plane, and here we need to define L shape sketch. So with the help of this polyline we are going to draw that. So first one is horizontal line, L shape sketch you need to draw. And just close this. So this should be horizontal. This constraint we have seen already, we have discussed. So whenever there is these lines are there, that means it is horizontal and vertical. So we need to give dimensions now. If you just see, this is 22 mm, this total is 44. This is 22, this is total is 44. So just go to dimension, that is horizontal, it is 22, 44, 15, 15. So this is 15, 15. Now it is fully constrained. Now just click on close. Now we are going to add the material into this one. So how to add a material? So how much material we need to add? 15 mm. About which direction? here we are going to add material in Z direction. So just go to task, click on pad, and material to be added is around 15 mm. Just enter 15 here and just click on OK. So this is first step. So this base we have created. This is first step. Now second step is this rectangle. This box we need to create. So for that you need to create sketch on this surface. Okay. So how to create sketch on that surface? So for that you need to click on state support, click on OK, click on OK and select this space and click on create sketch. Okay. Now here we need to draw one rectangle. So one rectangle I am going to draw. Actually this is rectangle is like this. So this side, let's go to model. We need to change this sketch. Just give dimension between this line and just give all the dimensions. For example, this distance is 22 and after that this one is 8 mm. From this to this vertical distance between this point and this point is 8 mm, correct, and this width is again, this horizontal distance is 8 mm. So this is fully constrained now and just click on close. Now we are going to add material again, that is we are going to add a pad command. So this is again of 15 mm. So enter 15 there, and so this is what we have created. Okay, I hope you have understood this. So let us meet to next experiment where we are going to see the transformation feature and some complicated part. Thank you for watching.